Oh my god! Playing in the rain, there's nothing better. Trapper, what are you doing? Hey! Hi, Trap. Can you come out from there, please? I don't know. Get down. Good boy. Hey, come on. Good boy. Hey, go. Go on. You gonna go chase Ian? Okay. Go on, Trapper, go get Ian. Go get him. Go get Ian. Where have you gone to, Trapper? Go get Ian. Bum. Playing in the rain, eh? That's amazing. And this is boring. Okay, get down. We haven't played in the rain for so long. Don't leave! You're entertaining me. Alright, bye! Buggers. You're still here though, eh, Trav? Come here, Trav. Hi. Don't. Hi. I get the butt, eh? How's it going? Alright. Say bye? Do you say bye, Trapper? Say goodbye, Trapper. I am the only person who finds this entertaining.